would never think that toads are ferocious.
Right.
You know, you never think that toads are basically monsters. These just giant-mouthed monsters that swallow mice whole. But they do. They're super aggressive. It's crazy to watch. Oh, look how quick that is.
How did he get it? It must be closer than it looks.
He
like
just swallowed them whole. Watch how quick he does
yeah,
it.
this bit here. Oh, it's just one step forward and bang. Yeah.
Just snap.
Yeah.
Go see if you can find one of them video. Oh, he just inhales them. He literally inhaled them.